I'm here with Dr. Mike Parker, tree fruit specialist for the Department of Horticultural Science and North Carolina Cooperative Extension. We're at the Sandhills Research Station. Mike, tell me what the purpose of this place is.
Well, the Sandhills Research Station is one of 17 research stations across the state of North Carolina that North Carolina State University uses to evaluate different horticultural crops, agricultural crops, and animal sciences.
So Mike, can you tell us about what you specialize in, your research and your teaching?
Yeah. As a tree fruit extension specialist, I work with all crops that grow on the tree that you eat. In North Carolina, primarily they'd be apples, peaches, and pecans that we have significant commercial industries. I also deal with other crops that are much smaller quantities. We can talk about figs, and we can talk about persimmons, plums, chestnuts, and that type of thing.
Nice.
Growing tree fruit is not rocket science. I can do it, it's quite easy. However, it does take close attention to detail. There are many different management strategies that have to be imposed during the growing season in order to be successful. Many people plant a fruit tree because they buy a tree outside of a big box store, they look at the bright shiny tag, they take it home, and they are somewhat less than successful with that. That usually goes back to management issues, whether it be training and pruning, whether it be insects and disease management, whether it be weed management and competition with the tree.
So there's a lack of understanding of what it really takes to grow these trees.
No question. Lack of understanding. There's also maybe a lack of encouragement or lack of dedication to do that. It's not something that you just plant, you come back and pick fruit in the fall of the year. It just does not work that way.
And so your job is developing training materials, informational materials for the homeowner, for the commercial grower, and that kind of those types of people.
That's correct. Working with the Cooperative Extension Service, my job is to train county agents. We do that through field days, we do that through tours, workshops. We also, as you referenced, we have written publications, we also have video publications that the agents can use that also can be handed out to the clientele, whether they be large growers growing 100 acres or whether it be an individual growing 2 or 3 trees in their backyard. The management does not differ between 100 acres or 1 tree. It doesn't matter.